If you're facing an error called something went wrong on your Snapchat AI, so this video is all about. AI means artificial intelligence, that is a robot and a bot which chats with you on Snapchat. You can pass your time easily there. AI feature is not available in my this account. You just have to update your Snapchat application to avail this feature. My Snapchat is not updated yet, but I will show you that if you're facing an error called something went wrong, how can you solve that? Firstly, we just have to know that these type of errors usually happens for a bad network connection. If you have a good network connection, you won't face any type of error like this. Please make sure that you are connected to a better Wi-Fi or data connection. So after that, the second step is you just have to put your mobile phone on the flight mode for some seconds and then you can just disable it. The main motive is to refresh your phone, refresh your connection and refresh your mobile phone's processing speed. So you just have to clear all your recent application from there, update your Snapchat application, put your mobile phone on flight mode, switch it off. These three steps will help you a lot in solving these type of something went error issues. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any question, any query or any confusion regarding any topic, so just tap that topic into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.